Right, so to continue from the previous video, previously I've done the unboxing, all right, and it comes with a free case and so on and so forth. One of the key tagline that Samsung have for the Note 8 is do bigger things, and bigger it is. So this is the phone, right? So the one I have is deep sea blue with 64GB RAM. ROM. So the storage is about 64GB. It's quite small. I must admit that it's quite small. But the good thing is that you can add in additional SD card inside. So memory expansion ability is there. I got this about after rebate is around US 170. Compare this to 1 year ago is about 1000 US, I guess. So yeah, so one of the key reasons why I got this as compared to getting a Note 9, which I think I'll pay the extra 800, I guess. Now, so I'm going for this. I don't think there's much different in the performance. Yeah, there will be differences, but there will not be so much of a clear difference. All right. So this was actually released in September last year. Didn't find a need for it until my old phone kind of break down. So yeah, so I got this. So this kind of like a 6.3-inch display, 3300 milliamp hour battery, which is not much. In fact, I would say that it's kind of average, right? 8-core CPU compared to my previous one, which is about 4-core. So this should be a twice kind of performance upgrade. Dual SIM. Now you have the dual SIM card tray here, or you can have one SIM and one SD card. So let's go through what we have over here. So we have, let me just take out the S Pen. No, I'm not gonna write. Damn it. Okay, right. So we have one iris scanner, and the other one is here, according to what they say in the manual. It's just one of the manual page addendum or something like that. So this is a camera, and this is a speaker, and there's no physical button here. You can see from the light. The size is from here to right bottom here, right here. All right, and you have a speaker at the bottom here, Type C connector, earphone jack, and of course for the S Pen. On the left side, you have the volume rocker. You have the Bixby or Bixby button, press here, and you have the power button here. At the top, there's nothing much. So one thing I want to say is that if any one of you is going to use this phone for recording videos, 4K videos and so on and so forth, or Full HD, it doesn't really matter. The key point which I'm looking for in most phones are the fact that there is a microphone here, if you can see it. Yep, it's a little notch here, and there is another one here. So that means that when you are taking a video, you will receive stereo recording, which is something that I really like. So if you are recording a video and say at the beach and someone was shouting here, the kids are running there on the left side, it will be properly recorded onto the phone. And when there's a playback, you can't really tell the difference because it's a mono speaker here. But once you put in the plug for the earphones, you will hear it's in stereo sound. All right. So I think there's nothing much. I've upgraded this to Android 8.0. So this should be running the latest Android at the moment. Gorgeous screen. I don't know what to say about the screen here. It's fantastic. It's way better than what I'm having right now. You have the standard kind of layout from Samsung. If you don't like it, you can change it, of course. All right. yeah, standard procedure in most cases. Yep, and there's something out here. You can put in your profile for the people that you frequently call, but I'm not going to do all these things right now. And Bixby or Bixby, I don't know. You just press this button, you check the network status, and then you have this. And basically it's telling you to update. You say later, and what you're gonna get is it's telling you to a new way to interact with the internet, getting information, getting commands as you say or type. So confirm.
Hi, I'm Bixby. To continue, I need you to sign in to your Samsung account.
Not now. All right. Yep. So there's not much to show right now. Shucks. Okay. Right. No. Okay. Right. So so that's about it. That's about what I'm gonna say about the unboxing. I've not used this phone as yet. Once I started using it, I will be able to get more information about the camera, probably to do some comparison, and so on and so forth. And I'll probably post up more videos here. Alright guys, thank you so much. See you guys.